Introduction. Let's be honest, AI isn't coming for your job, but someone using AI might. Right now, people with no technical background are using simple AI tools to create videos, sell digital products, offer services online, and build income streams faster than ever before. And the best part? You don't need to code. You don't need a big audience. You don't need to be an expert. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use AI to make money, step by step, using real, beginner-friendly methods. You can start today. No hype, no jargon, just practical systems that work. Section 1. How AI actually makes money. AI doesn't magically make money by itself. AI makes money by doing 3 things faster. 1. Creating content. 2. Automating work. 3. Enhancing skills you already have. Think of AI as a writer, a designer, a researcher, a video editor, a virtual assistant, all in one. The people winning with AI aren't geniuses, they're system builders. Now let's break down 5 proven ways to turn AI into income. Method 1, AI plus digital products. This is one of the fastest ways to start. Step 1. Choose a simple problem. Examples: budgeting, fitness planning, studying, productivity, resume writing, meal planning. You don't need to be the best, just one step ahead. Step 2. Use AI to create the product. With AI, you can create PDFs, checklists, short guides, workbooks, planners. Example: beginner's budget planner, AI written resume templates, 30-day productivity challenge. AI helps you outline the content, write explanations, create exercises, simplify language. Step 3. Sell at platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Shopify. Stand store, price range $5 to $29. You don't need thousands of sales. 100 sales at $19 equals $1,900. Method 2, AI-powered content creation. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and blogs are exploding with AI-assisted creators. Step 1. Pick one format. Don't do everything. Choose. Faceless YouTube videos, TikTok shorts, blog posts, Instagram carousels. Step 2. Use AI for scripting. AI can generate video scripts, create hooks, write outlines, simplify explanations. You focus on voiceover, editing, posting consistently. Step 3. Monetize. You earn through ad revenue, affiliate links, digital products, sponsorships. Important truth: AI doesn't replace creativity, it removes friction. Method 3, AI freelancing. This works even if you have zero experience. Step 1, pick a service. AI-friendly services. Resume writing, cover letters, social media captions, email writing, product descriptions, blog formatting. Step 2, use AI as your backend. AI drafts content, improves clarity, fixes grammar, speeds up delivery. You customize, review, deliver professionally. Step 3, find clients, platforms, Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, direct outreach, start low, build reviews, increase prices. Many freelancers do this part-time and scale to full-time income. Method 4, AI plus education. People pay for clarity. Step 1, teach what you already know. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to explain things simply. Examples: Excel for beginners. Scrum Explained Simple. Basic personal finances. How to use Canva. Step 2, use AI to structure lessons. AI can break topics into modules, create slide outlines, Write explanations, generate quizzes. Step 3, package it, turn it into short courses, paid PDFs, email series, membership content, sell once, earn repeatedly. Method 5, AI automation for businesses. Businesses want time saved, not AI buzzwords. Step 1, identify boring tasks. Businesses hate writing emails, social posts, reports, customer replies, documentation. Step 2, offer simple AI solutions. Examples. I'll automate your weekly content. I'll create AI-assisted email templates. I'll streamline your documentation. You don't sell AI, you sell efficiency. Step 3, monthly retainers. Even $300 per client times 10 clients equals $3,000 per month. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's keep this real. Waiting to be perfect. Learning tools instead of building systems. Trying 10 methods at once. Overthinking. AI prompts. Expecting instant results. AI speeds things up. It doesn't remove effort. Consistency still wins. Simple starter plan. If you're overwhelmed, do this. Week 1. Pick one method. Create one product or service. Week 2. Publish content or listings. Improve based on feedback. Week 3. Optimize. Scale what works. Drop what doesn't. Momentum beats motivation. Closing. AI is not a shortcut to riches. It's a multiplier. If you do nothing, AI does nothing. If you take action, AI moves fast with you. Start small, stay consistent, build systems, not stress. If you want more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and keep learning, because the future isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter.